It is the dream of every poultry farmer to collect as many eggs as possible to maximize profits. We are committed as Kilimo Faida TV to help you make this a reality. If you watch this guide to the end, definitely you will become the best egg producer in your region. If you are looking to boost egg production in your flock, several factors play a crucial role in maximizing the number of eggs your chickens lays. Achieve best results by doing this. Number 1. Choose the right breeds. Selecting high production breed is essential. You may consider Leghorns, which are known for their prolific laying capabilities. Rhode Island Reds, hardy and reliable layers. Australorps, excellent for both egg and temperament. Saso, improved kienyeji. Number 2. Provide a balanced diet. Proper nutrition is fundamental to egg production. Ensure hens receive layer feed, high in calcium and protein to support egg production, fresh greens, incorporate vegetables and herbs for vitamins, grit and oyster shells, aid in digestion and provide calcium for strong eggshells. Number 3. Ensure clean fresh water. Chickens require constant access to clean water. Dehydration can lead to decreased egg production, so change water daily. Use waterers that prevent contamination. Number 4. Optimize lighting conditions. Chicken need about 14 to 16 hours of light per day to maximize laying. In winter, consider using artificial lighting to extend daylight hours. Ensure the coop is well lit and inviting. Number 5. Create a comfortable environment. A stress-free living space is vital. Focus on first, space. Provide at least 2-3 square feet per hen inside the coop. Ventilation. Good airflow reduces heat stress and improves health. Third, bedding. Use clean, dry bedding to keep the coop comfortable. Number 6. Conduct regular health checks. Monitoring the health of your flock is essential. Check for signs of illness or parasites, vaccinations and treatments as necessary. Healthy chickens are more likely to lay consistently. Minimize stressors. Stress can drastically affect egg production. To create a calm environment, handle chickens gently and regularly. Limit loud noises and sudden movements. Provide hiding spaces for security. Number 8. Understand age factors. Egg production typically peaks between 6 months and 2 years. After this, production may decline. To manage this, rotate younger hens into your flock. Keep track of the age of each hen. Number 9. Set up adequate nesting boxes. Proper nesting areas encourage laying. Aim for 1 nest box for every 3-4 hens. Clean, cozy bedding in each box. Number 10. Monitor breeding practices. To improve fertility rates, consider avoid inbreeding by introducing new bloodlines, rotating rosters if applicable. By implementing these strategies, you can significantly increase egg production in your chickens. Focus on nutrition, environment, health, and stress management to create an optimal setting for your hen. Enjoy the reward of a thriving flock and the bountiful supply of fresh eggs. We appreciate your feed. What have you learned? Let's say in the comment section. Remember to subscribe and share this video.